Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? How to make money online platform. The lot of make money online platform you can professional YouTube channel creating and skill hand YouTubing. The lot of make money online platform and offline platform and make money and at home. Your first time the completely YouTube skill gain, then the professional YouTube channel creating, YouTube name, description, channel art, channel banner, logo, and lower third, upper third, channel setting, um, channel keyword, and great videos, more videos. You can, the categories must be important in the YouTube channel make money. You can make money online platform. You are the professional YouTube channel making and the lot of make money. And you have the online marketplace as like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancing job. Friends, your hands is a smartphone, your hands iPhone, your hands computer. You can start today the YouTubing. YouTubing, the lot of make money gain the online platform. The worldwide, the highly social network and social platform, the make money, the YouTube. YouTube lot of why the make money. The number one, YouTube shortest income, the launching YouTube company, the Google 2023 YouTube shortest how to make money. Second, total YouTubing complete YouTube make money. And then step up number one, the creation YouTube channel, professional. Number two, YouTube creation banner. Number three, YouTube logo, the design, graphic design. Your freely design of Canva uses how to make money on YouTube. The third, video editing. The how demand, lot of demand, the present type YouTube video editing. The lot of free software uses the video editing software as like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora, Camtasia, etc. is a PC computer device video editing software. And then mobile software video editing, KineMaster, CapCut, the lot of software. You just need it. Open the Google Play Store, search then the video editing software. Google Play Store can provide lot of software. Just present time very easy and simple video editing software, CapCut and KineMaster, etc. Number 4, the total YouTube channel creating, keyword research, the lot of tools, the Google search, the keyword tools, keyword planners, you are the niche related keyword research them. Friends, as a professional YouTube channel create, need your keyword tools, research your niche, good niche as like blogging, education, science, technology, film, music, etc. The 15 categories that create the professional YouTube channel. You are the right justice, just your judgment, your niche selected, your category selected, your video editing and video creating, content creating, script writing, etc. The lot of way how to make money, the online platform on YouTubing, YouTube work, YouTube skill. My channel is teach, earn, make money. The present time research the how to make money this time in given the my videos, my channel. The present time, the lot of people how to make money, local market, international market, local people, international people, American people, Australian people, Canadian people, European people, Asian people, the lot of people they make YouTube channel, create YouTube channel, the how to make money, they gain your funny videos, comedies, blogging, teacher, technology, education, science, etc. More. You can total the professional skill and YouTubering skill, lot of make money, gain of online platform. The Fiverr marketplace, lot of why they make money of online. the $1,000. First time YouTube creating, thumbnail creating, logo design, thumbnail design, banner design. It is the under of graphic design. You can use the freely software of Canva. Second, search engine optimization, YouTube video SEO. Lot of people, the service on Fiverr, subscription, subscriber, views, etc. etc. You can make money. The online platform, Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer, and your skill sharing, the social network, the social platform, then Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. etc. So I request them. You are the skill hand, you capable, you best knowledgeable, you hard worker. I request them you start to the YouTubing. How to lot of way make money gain the online platform. You can research lot of video searches than online platform. The lot of people, lot of content creator, lot of hard worker, lot of freelancer, lot of general people, lot of educational people, lot of full stop people that make money on create on YouTube channel. I request them, they make money on the better way, the YouTube blogging, your YouTube creating. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. I request them. I love my knowledge sharing my channel. You can please your details information, comments and like, share. Thank you.